Welcome back everyone to our review of the 2026 Dodge Challenger in vibrant orange. This muscle car is a true powerhouse that combines raw performance with a timeless, retro design. Built for driving enthusiasts, the Challenger brings an exhilarating driving experience whether you're on the road or track. One of the most exciting advantages of the 2026 Challenger is its incredible performance on straight-line tracks. With a 6.4-liter V8 engine pumping out 485 horsepower, the Challenger delivers spine-tingling acceleration that muscle car lovers crave. Its performance capabilities are particularly suited to drag strips, where it takes full advantage of the powerful engine, offering a smooth yet aggressive ride. While it may not be as sharp on twisty roads as some of its competitors, its straight-line speed and engine roar are unmatched. For long-distance travel, the 2026 Dodge Challenger shines. Its impressive ride quality, especially when equipped with the adaptive dampers, ensures that you can cover long stretches of road in comfort. Whether you're cruising on highways or enjoying scenic drives, this muscle car offers a comfortable, stable ride with surprisingly good fuel economy for its class. V8 muscle car, making it a solid choice for road trips without frequent stops at the pump. The 2026 Challenger also packed with features that enhance both comfort and technology. The interior boasts a luxurious yet classic muscle car design with plenty of space for passengers. The Challenger's spacious interior makes it more accommodating than many of its rivals, offering an impressive amount of cargo space in the trunk. You won't have to worry about leaving your luggage behind. This car is as practical as it is powerful. Inside, you'll find premium materials like leather seating in black, beige, and orange accents, with ambient lighting to set the mood. A wide digital screen takes center stage, offering seamless connectivity, and the Uconnect infotainment system provides both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration as standard. When it comes to the Challenger's competitive edge, its combination of power, style, and comfort sets it apart from other muscle cars. While its rivals may offer sharper handling and higher-tech interiors, the Challenger focuses on the essence of what makes a muscle car special: raw power, a captivating engine sound, and a nostalgic design that resonates with those who appreciate classic American muscle. It's the kind of car that turns heads as it speeds by, and its strong performance on the road makes it the go-to choice for enthusiasts looking for a thrilling ride. What truly stands out with the 2026 Dodge Challenger is its excellent highway mileage. For a car of this caliber, achieving 26 mpg on the highway is impressive. This is a key selling point for those who want a car that can handle long road trips while still delivering incredible performance without constantly worrying about refueling. In conclusion, the 2026 Dodge Challenger remains a standout in the muscle car world with its stunning performance, unique features, and impressive long-distance comfort. It effortlessly combines classic muscle car design with modern technology, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Thanks for tuning into this review. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay updated on all things automotive. See you in the next one.